This is wet and cold. Fuck this, no. These are technically not really legal here in Germany. Okay guys, the journey begins here. Oh fuck, this is so bad. You can't probably see anything because the settings are too dark, probably from the GoPro. Maybe a little bit from the Insta360 here. This is my first ever English vlog and I think we should just go for a ride now. Just for introduction, that you saw it, I hope you see it. I don't know about the settings yet, but yeah, this is my garage. This is the bike we're gonna ride today. There's my other bike, my R1, but since it's January now, it's winter here. We are in Germany, in case you didn't know. And because it's winter here and there's salt everywhere on the streets, I'm not riding the blue beasts, I could say. Yeah, so we will take the MT-07 out today and at least try to rip the streets as far as possible because of the weather. It is very cold. It's 1 degree Celsius right now, close to 0. I don't know what's that in Fahrenheit. Should be 72 Fahrenheit is, I think, 20 degrees. And every 2 degrees Fahrenheit are 1 degrees Celsius. So we are at, yeah, pretty much 50 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Not really the perfect conditions for riding, but I'm just motivated today, so I think we should at least try it. We'll do just a quick round around the block. Not really around the block. Let's start her up. Oh, I need to get gas. Oh, it's actually 3 degrees. So it's like 56, 58 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. I'm really sorry if my English isn't perfect. As I just said, I'm from Germany and I'm not necessarily new to that whole YouTube thing. I run a YouTube channel for almost 3 years by the time this video is taken, by the time now that I filmed that video. I mean, I'm not really a native speaker. I was raised German and English. I was raised bilingual. Is that the right word? And since then I was always interested in the English language and I thought to myself, well, I run a YouTube channel, a German one, and since I can talk in English. That's okay. I can communicate somehow. So I thought to myself, well, why shouldn't I try to make an English channel as well? This channel here, where this video is uploaded, this channel exists for now more than 1.5 years, but this channel was actually intended for just POV, pure sound videos, these type of videos. But over the course that I did these videos, I found them a little bit boring. And additionally to that, there are plenty of YouTube channels that actually do the same videos. And they are not really personal. Warm the tires up a bit. And it is so freaking cold out. Yeah. Now we're talking. Okay, now at least the middle of the rear tire is warm, kind of. So we're able to pop a couple wheelies. I'm happy with that. I hope you guys like that perspective here from the Insta360. This is the 1X3. I have to tighten it up a bit. And now we're on the German Autobahn. So this section here is actually a restricted section, so we're not allowed to go more than 120 kilometers. I mean, I censored my tacho, but I have a feeling I'm just orientating myself by the other cars, so I think we're good. But in a couple hundred meters, there's that lovely sign, exactly this one, where we can go full speed without any fear of getting in trouble. Fuck, is this cold! I'm sorry, I actually wanted to do a longer stretch, but fuck this, no. No car coming there. Okay. This is wet and cold, no wonder. Nope. This wasn't it? Yep. to. This is my first ever English vlog, so probably no one is gonna see this at all. But in case someone sees this, and in case this person wonders what this is, right here, this is a cruise control, a manual one. It is kind of tricky in Germany with all the laws we have. If anyone wants to know, I can make a video about that. These are technically not really legal here in Germany. However, I find this very useful. I mean, as you can see, without slowing down, I can just chill on the bike. And on roads like this, where it's free, where there's no traffic, or on the Autobahn, if I have to ride for a longer time on the Autobahn, this is very helpful and very relaxing. Man, I love this sound, I tell ya. MT-07 with Akrapovic exhaust, full exhaust, not a slip-on. These bikes sound so mean. If you never heard an MT-07, from a sound standpoint, these bikes are insane. Unbelievable, honestly. For such a small bike, I could say. I mean, 75 horsepower, 690cc. For that, they sound pretty badass. So yeah, this was just a quick turn. Just wanted to get out a little and thought, why shouldn't I just try at least do an English vlog? I will upload more English vlogs, definitely. And this is not just an empty promise. This is not just, yeah, if you like this video, subscribe and then I will do more uploads and stuff. No, I don't fucking care, honestly. I want to do these videos. I'm having fun doing these videos. I love to meet you guys. I mean, in person is probably a bit difficult, but getting to know you guys here on YouTube in the comment section and maybe even on Instagram, I just love doing this. I just love this whole YouTube and Instagram and social media stuff. This is my world. This is my thing. So yeah, anyway, I mean, if you like this video, I'm glad you tuned in. I'm glad you watched to this point, which is pretty much the ending of this video. And yeah, I'd love to see you guys later.